Today we're canning whole milk to make evaporated milk, and no, you're not going to find this in that book. This is what we're doing for inflation and shortages and SHTF. So you keep doing you, I'm going to keep doing me. This is what we're doing to get prepared. Okay, so you need clean jars, rings, and lids. And don't forget to check your rims to make sure there's not any chips so your lids will seal. And you want to leave a 1-inch headspace. Okay, so you need vinegar in a bowl. Put some vinegar on a paper towel. Make sure you wring it out really well and wipe the rim, just like always, so your lid will get a good seal. You want to put your ring on finger tight, not too tight, just finger tight. Okay, so you're going to continue this process until you have all of your jars completed. Okay, so we're using two different types of Presto canners, and for both of them it says to put 3 quarts of water in there, and we're adding about 2 tablespoons of vinegar to each one. The vinegar is to help keep your jars clean, plus it helps to keep the inside of your canner from turning black. Okay, so you want to inspect your canner, make sure you can see through this hole. And on this canner, it has a clear ring, and it says it doesn't need to be oiled. But on the other one, it has a black ring, and you do have to oil that one. It says to make it easier to open and close to oil it. So we're going to go ahead and oil it, because we just got that one. We've been canning with it. We've probably canned with it about 20 times now. And it is getting easier to open and close the lid, so we're gonna go ahead and oil it again. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and turn on your stove and put it on high and wait for it to vent. Okay, so this one just started venting. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. So now we're gonna go ahead and start the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes is up, and now we're going to put on the jiggler. We're using a 10-pound weight for our altitude. You'll have to check for your area what altitude and weight size you will need. And we are going to wait for it to jiggle. Okay, so it just started jiggling, and so we are going to set the timer now for 20 minutes. Okay, so the pin just dropped. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and lift the lid up away from you so the steam doesn't come up and hit you in the face. Don't worry about any water being on the lid, just leave that right there because you don't want to turn it sideways or get the milk up there underneath the lid and make it where it does not seal. It will evaporate off. Okay, so I just wanted to show you here, the back roll is the ones that's already been processed, and the front roll is ones that I'm about to go ahead and process. So you can see the different colors, where it's just a little bit more of a tint of a brown than the front roll. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video. So if you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I put out another quick and easy video. See you next time.